Today we are going to install SENA headsets in a couple of Vega Summit 3.0 helmets. The best kept secret, as these helmets are so feature filled for such a bargain price. This is the SENA clamp type bracket that fits between the shell and the lining. For this application we will use the optional SENA adhesive mount. This is the SENA clamp-on bracket you just saw installed on the helmet. This is the SENA adhesive style we will install on these Vega helmets. Some helmets come with a proprietary port for a specific system, as does this Vega Summit 3.0. We are going to use the SENA system. First, position the bracket so you know where you want it attached. Then peel the adhesive off the bracket back and press the bracket firmly onto the side of the helmet. After letting the bracket adhesive set up for a while, we will pull the padding tab out and install the speakers through the opening between the shell and the padding. Now we have the speakers inside, we slide the SENA module piece onto the bracket and tighten down with the provided screws. So now we will remove the side pads. They have two snaps and they pull right out. The Vega Summit 3 comes with speaker cavities. Just pop out the speaker disc and the speaker is ready to pop in. Once the speakers are pressed in, perfect fit, snap the pad back in. The right speaker wire will live under the headliner. Unsnap the headliner, install the speaker wire, snap the headliner back in. Remove the side pads and repeat with speaker install into the speaker holder. Perfect fit. The install is so perfect you can hardly see the speakers. The Vega Summit 3 plush liner and plastic cover covers the speaker.